So today we're working on the finishing of portion A, which is this center square. All right, so we've got the first little mushrooms that we did, and we've got these long strips, and we are going to sew them to the tops of our mushrooms. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little mushrooms and we're going to be adding our triangles, our smaller ones, to the top and to the bottom. We are going to be turning these into squares that are on point. Okay, so now our mushrooms are these cute little diamond shapes, and we are going to be adding these to either side to make them into squares. Now, whenever you are doing this, you can always fold these triangles into halves like this and finger press right here to find your center, and that can be very helpful to figure out where you need to lay this down. I don't generally do that. I just kind of eyeball it and make sure that I have about the same amount hanging off on this side as I do hanging off on this side. But don't be afraid to use the folding technique if that works better for you. So I've got my mushroom blocks turned upside down and to the side like this, and I'm going to be sewing a strip right along this one side, not any of the other sides, just this one. And we're going to do that to all 4 of our mushroom blocks. Okay, so now all of our little mushrooms have a border along the left side, and we are going to add a border along the top as well, just like this. So now we have our little mushrooms and our large ones, and we are going to sew them right together along the side there. And we're also going to do that on the other side as well. Alright, so now we have our rows all sewn together. We're just going to join them. Alright guys, this is our final reveal of section A from the Oak Grove Square quilt. It is so beautiful. I love all of these little mushrooms. They are just so cute. Now, if you haven't started sewing with us yet, that is fine. There's still plenty of time to catch up. And although this quilt takes a lot of cutting, it comes together surprisingly fast. So don't be intimidated. I'm here for every step of the way with you. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!